Few things can derail a trip faster than a last-minute visa issue. One of the most overlooked but crucial steps in travel planning is understanding the entry requirements for your destination. Visa policies vary wildly between countries, and what's true for one passport may not be true for another. That's why doing your homework early can save you from stress, wasted money, or even being denied entry at the border. Start by checking the official immigration website of the country you're visiting. Don't rely solely on travel blogs, or second-hand advice policies can change quickly. And you need up-to-date, accurate information. Some countries offer visa-free travel for short stays. Others require an online application or electronic travel authorization. And some demand a formal visa obtained from a consulate weeks in advance. Certain visas may require supporting documents such as proof of accommodation, return tickets, financial statements, or even travel insurance. Others could in-person interviews or biometric data. These processes take time, and rushing them can lead to errors or rejections. That's why it's smart to start researching visa requirements as soon as your destination is chosen. Ideally 2 to 3 months ahead for complex trips, traveling through multiple countries. Remember, each one may have different rules, and transit visas could also be necessary if you're passing through certain airports. Even layovers can trip up unprepared travelers. Planning well in advance gives you time to gather documents, fix potential issues, and breathe easier as your trip approaches. It also gives you flexibility in choosing dates and flights, knowing you're cleared to enter. A little foresight goes a long way. Visa rules are the gatekeepers of your travel dreams. Make sure you've got the right key well before departure day. Requirements well in advance.